Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2016 GMC Sierra 2500 HD Denali. On the front end of the vehicle we have 3M protective film as well as HID headlights with LED daytime running lights. Under the hood sits a 6.6 liter Duramax turbo diesel engine that produces 397 horsepower and 765 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped are 20-inch aluminum wheels and heated power folding tow mirrors. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our park assist sensors as well as an easy lift and lower tailgate. This Denali has a towing capacity up to 13,000 pounds. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, we have a memory driver's seat, as well as a Bose audio sound system, our four-wheel drive controls, and our automatic headlight controls. This Denali comes equipped with a power sunroof and heated and cooled power adjustable leather seats. We also have a heated steering wheel, forward collision alert, cruise control, and Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. A touchscreen display shows the vehicle's navigation system, SiriusXM radio, and backup camera. Equipped for your comfort are dual-zone climate controls as well as lane departure warning. And a wireless charging pad. On the vehicle's key fob we have our remote start and entry buttons. Moving to the back of the vehicle we have a 60-40 split folding rear bench seat and our DVD player.